This is Andy 79Z28. I received a package a couple of weeks ago from Chris from the 740. This is take number 4 using different software. Okay, I had sent Chris out some zinc bullets to play around with, and I'm sure most of you have seen those videos. So he wanted to do something for me, and he sent me a box. Again, I've already opened this box. It's still exciting every time I open it. He sent me a bag full of 38 special brass. It's very clean looking brass. I'm not sure if these have been tumbled or not. They're all one, looks like this might be all once fired. It's mixed head stamps. That's great. I added to my collection of brass. You can never have too much brass. And I have a lot to process from last year. I haven't actually processed much of my pistol brass yet because my 38 brass, I should say, because the pistol range has been closed where I shoot in the outdoor range. But hopefully it's going to open the season, so this will give me something to do. Chris from the 740, I thank you very much for this. It will definitely be put to good use. Everyone out there have a great day. This is Andy 79Z28, the Zink Zone. We catch you later.